Let's go! Yo, what's up everyone, it's Ravi Kumar, and today we're diving into the world of machine learning with a JavaScript twist. We're going to explore libraries like TensorFlow.js and Brain.js, which let you build and train models right in your browser or on Node.js. We'll also look at pre-trained models that you can use with just a few lines of code. Whether you're a seasoned JavaScript pro or just starting out, this video will give you the tools and inspiration to unlock the power of machine learning in your JavaScript projects. So grab your favorite text editor, fire up your browser, and let's get this machine learning party started. First up, we have TensorFlow.js, and let me tell you, this library is a game changer. It's like the Swiss Army knife of machine learning in JavaScript. With TensorFlow.js, you can build, train, and even deploy machine learning models directly in your browser or Node.js applications. That means faster processing, enhanced privacy, and a whole lot of potential for interactive applications. TensorFlow.js also lets you tap into the power of pre-trained models. Need to do some image recognition, object detection, or even natural language processing? TensorFlow.js has got you covered. You can literally add these features to your web apps with just a few lines of code. And if you're feeling adventurous and want to build your own custom models from scratch, TensorFlow.js empowers you to do that too, all using the familiar syntax and power of JavaScript. Next up, we've got Brain.js, and if you're new to the world of neural networks, this library is your new best friend. Brain.js takes all the complex concepts behind neural networks and makes them approachable and, dare I say, fun to work with. It's built with simplicity in mind, so you can start building applications that make predictions, classify data, and even power game AI with just a few lines of code. Don't let the lightweight nature fool you. Brain.js is still incredibly powerful. It's a fantastic tool for both beginners who want to learn the basics of neural networks and experienced developers who need a quick and easy way to integrate machine learning into their projects. Now, if you're ready to roll up your sleeves and really get your hands dirty with neural networks, Synaptic.js is the library for you. This one's for the tinkerers, the explorers, the developers who want to understand the nuts and bolts of how neural networks actually work. Synaptic.js gives you the flexibility to create and train neural networks from the ground up. You get to define the architecture, fine-tune the parameters, and really experiment with different approaches. By building neural networks from scratch, you gain a deep understanding of how these models learn, adapt, and make predictions. So, if you're serious about mastering neural networks and want the freedom to experiment and build custom solutions, Synaptic.js is definitely worth checking out. Okay, let's be real, sometimes you just want to sprinkle some machine learning magic into your projects without building everything from scratch, and that's where pre-trained models come in. The cool thing is, you can use these powerful models directly in your JavaScript applications. One of my favorite tools for this is Teachable Machine by Google. It's a web-based platform that lets you train machine learning models for image, sound, or pose recognition using a simple drag-and-drop interface. The best part? You can export these trained models to JavaScript and use them with TensorFlow.js. Another fantastic option is ML5.js, a library built on top of TensorFlow.js that makes it incredibly easy to integrate pre-trained models into your projects. Now, all this time you might be thinking, this is all cool for front-end stuff, but what about us back-end developers? Well, fear not, my friends, because machine learning with JavaScript isn't just limited to the browser. You can bring the power of TensorFlow.js to your Node.js applications and unlock a whole new world of possibilities. Want to build APIs that can process images, analyze text, or make predictions? TensorFlow.js on Node.js makes it happen. You can crunch massive data sets, integrate machine learning into your server-side logic, and even deploy your models to production environments. Plus, by staying within the JavaScript ecosystem, you can leverage your existing skills and knowledge without having to switch contexts. It's a win-win. One of the coolest things about working with JavaScript for machine learning is the ability to create dynamic and interactive visualizations. Libraries like D3.js and Chart.js are like the perfect dance partners for TensorFlow.js, allowing you to bring your data and model performance to life right in the browser. Want to create stunning graphs, charts, and dashboards that update in real time as your models learn? No problem. Visualizing your data isn't just about making things look pretty though. It's about gaining insights, understanding patterns, and communicating complex information in a way that's easy to grasp. When you can see how your models are performing, you can fine-tune them more effectively, identify potential issues, and make better decisions. As you embark on your machine learning journey with JavaScript, remember that you're not alone. There's a vibrant and supportive community of developers out there who are just as excited about this stuff as you are. The TensorFlow.js documentation is your go-to resource for everything from getting started to advanced concepts. If you're new to machine learning, the ML5.js tutorials are a fantastic place to learn the ropes. And don't forget about GitHub. There are countless open-source projects, code examples, and pre-trained models just waiting to be explored. So subscribe to your favorites, join online forums, and don't be afraid to ask questions. The community is here to support you. So there you have it. Machine learning isn't just for Python and R developers anymore. With tools like TensorFlow.js, Brain.js, and more, you can explore this exciting field using the language you already love, JavaScript. What are you waiting for? Start your machine learning journey today.